Good evening, everyone. I decided to do a quick video just sharing some of the platforms I use, or one of the platforms I use. I will do other platforms for other industries moving forward. This company is going to just go ahead and go over here. My Lead System Pro. We help home business owners get results. MLSP is the world's #1 trusted solution since 2008 to help attract fresh leads daily, get sales and signups, and grow your business by leveraging the power of the internet. And that is the truth. I've been with this company. I actually went and looked at my membership and strolled down just to see when I began. And I actually got a membership with this company back in June of 2013. So I've been with My Lead System Pro since 2013. I don't really market it as an affiliate. I use the products. I am a product of the product. If you click here, if you can see, it says get started today with a 30-day risk-free trial. You can click over here, and I'm going to discuss the training. They have weekly webinars, daily wake-up calls, and let's take a look at the pricing. This is a membership. You will have to pay monthly. Do I think it's worth it? Yes. Before I sign up for any business opportunity, I would come here first. If I could do it all over again, you guys, and eliminate the headache and stress of trial and error and just trying to figure things out myself, I would have came here first. I would have came here first, did the monthly. If you can afford it, do the yearly, because you will save a few dollars by going annual. If you can't, you just pay that $50, $49.97 every month. There's a professional and there's a premium. The basic, it gets your feet wet, excuse me. It gets your feet wet, get you learning about online marketing. And this company actually is good for offline as well. If you have a business and you're struggling with it, a brick and mortar, this is great too. But they really focus on you leveraging the internet, because you can leverage the internet to make as much money as you're willing to invest in your skill set to earn. Let me say that you can make as much money as you want, but you have to invest in the training in order to learn how to make money. So I'm going to take you into the back office. And these are just some of the products that are available for purchase. Ultimate Twitter Leverage, Messenger Marketing Pro, Facebook Advertising Pro, 30-Minute Expert Attraction Marketing Edition. This is my girl. I've taken her class or two. She, Diane Hockman. Love her, love her, love her. She's funny. Mobile Lead, Live the Dream, Webinar Sale Magic, Copyright Mastery, Total Recruiting Mastery. And you won't really know if you're new to the internet industry, then these titles, it doesn't mean anything to you. But once you actually get in the system and start learning, you will totally understand what all of this stuff is, and it is very useful to growing your business or even getting started with a business. Again, if I could do it all over again, you guys, I would have got the skills first before I signed up for any opportunity. And usually what happened with us is we will sign up for something and realize that, wow, It's really, really hard to get leads. It's hard to get traffic to my link, especially when it's other people that are selling the same product or the same business opportunity as me, so that's when you find out that, wow, it is a lot of people doing this. And how do I stand out from the rest? And MLSP will help you do that. So if you're looking to start a home-based business and you really don't have a lot of upfront capital, because you're going to have to invest if you're trying to do something from home. If you're trying to do anything other than a job, you're going to have to invest first. Even with your job, when you first start a job, it usually takes 2 to 3 weeks to get paid. You invested gas and time for 3 weeks before you even got a paycheck. So it just takes money to make money. I would start here first. This is an excellent platform, and any type of classes that you purchase will be available. And if you see, I am not an L anything because I don't really market this at all. I use it to learn, to get the skill set, and it costs. And this is one of my classes that I've taken, and this information will stay available for me to come back and revisit, for me to listen to the audio, and for me to um, just look at the videos. If I miss something, it will just be there for me to always come back. And that is another thing I really, really love about this company. Here's another product that I purchased, and it's just SEO. It's to drive traffic to I purchased it and I used it to drive traffic to one of my online businesses just to get a great momentum, and it worked. This guy, he is king of SEO, king of SEO. Okay, if you want to start a business, and this is pretty much like going to college, or you want to educate yourself on marketing and start a business, I would go with this. This will be under the video as well. I would go with $25 one up, and the reason being is because it's a one-time fee, no reoccurring. If you're going to pay something every month, I would pay this. I just would. I would pick up something that is a one-time, one and done, upgrade to the premium at the $100 level, and use the skills that you're going to learn with MLSP to help you market this company and grow this. Once you learn the skill of internet marketing and learn how to leverage the internet to just give you money, as they say, you produce money on demand, then you pick up other opportunities if that's what you want to do. You may want to pick up a different company and add to your business. You may want to advertise more than just this one. You may want to do affiliate marketing. Most affiliate programs don't cost you anything out of pocket. All you have to do is drive traffic to a custom made link just for you, and you will be paid a percentage of whatever that product is cost. I will cover that in a different video, but I really wanted to discuss, if I was new today, I stumbled on this video and I wanted to do online marketing. Online marketing, once you set up the systems, it's really more hands off. It's hard to pick up the skill set. It Once you learn it and you set up your systems, they're on automation, and that's where you get your time freedom. Out of everything, this will give you more time freedom, but you have to master the skill. So in order to master the skill, you need education. You do. You're going to have to reach into your pocket. You're going to have to, if this is something you want to do, you're going to have to sacrifice for your future. I like what Dave Ramsey say, do what no one else do. So later, no, he say, live like no one else. So later, you can live like no one else. Meaning that today, I'm going to live frugal and within my means. You have to be realistic. Okay, I'm going to trim my budget and use this additional $50 to build a skill that I will possess for life. So once you learn how to leverage the internet, you can make money whenever you want to from the comfort of your home. I met a gentleman about 20 years ago. I used to live in the Midwest area, and in Nebraska, actually, I met him. And he said, I have no need for a computer if I can't make money on it. And that stuck with me. Like it stuck with me. I don't want to pay for an internet bill and have this gadget sitting on the desk collecting dust and I can't even make money from it. So if you learn how to leverage the internet, you can produce a large income from the comfort of your home. And this is my number one secret weapon right here. You're looking at the screen. That you have to pay for the education. And you need it if you're trying to work from home. So I would start with this and I would pick a program. Like again, I'm going to go over here. $25 one up. Pay the $125. Get locked in. And as you learn the skill of marketing, you're going to market that business. And the only thing that's going to come out of your pocket every month is this, your education. Education. And once you learn, again, how to leverage the internet, then you can start seeing some results, which is not going to take long. Because they're going to learn, they're taking the fluff out. They're taking the guesswork out. They're taking the trial and error, sitting up all night, beating on the desk and wondering why it's not working. Why is my sponsor signing up people, 2 and 3 people a day, and I'm signing up no one? It's because they possess a skill that you don't. You just cannot use YouTube as a way to grow your business. It's not enough information. It's like information overload when you go to YouTube. One person say you're doing this. One person say you're doing that. Next person say do this. Next person say do that. No, you need a platform that's structured, that's going to give you some direction and actually help you start your business from home or help you grow your business from home. Until next time, you guys, I'm about to go have my dinner because I got other things I have to do in about 30 minutes. Stay fearless. God bless you. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. More good stuff coming.